Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to shoot a short vlog on village life, that how the people live there and their proper lifestyle we will cover. And the real thing is the beauty of village, the purity of village, and all the things, their machineries, how they work in agriculture and maintaining their life. And we have the group members Fahad Ali Baloch and Lalit Kumar and Tanveer Ahmed Lashari. Now we are on the way going to the village near Mirpur Sakaro district, Thatta. Look guys, their homes, everything made of wooden and the natural things, and the river and their roads. Even in the village we have proper roads and the greenery beside the roads.
It's me Fahad Baloch. Today we are just reached at village where I am gonna cover livestock along with some wildlife. Here I will discover the beauty, charming and natural feel that is quite strange urban areas. We can see these fishermen have just reached for fishing. We see a room. Let's discover the cage. Oh, it's wonderful deer. Beautiful deer is originally from Khatan, Kyrgyzstan. This tree horn grows to 12-6 each side. The most charming part is its white dots in whole body. Look at the tree. See how nature protects the nature. It's clear that villagers fulfill their every dream in different way as they raised up their beautiful deer and peacock. Fishermen just catch huge fish. Let's see. Rivers have a goat livestock that is a mainly raised up milk and meat purpose. Also recognized as a strong asset in village. Where a diverse livestock is being fed together. We have reached to another site where have a cows again livestock which is specially raised up for milk and some of them are for meat purpose. Proper system and kind of below every requirement to fulfill those buffaloes in every possible way. For example, the water like proper it for ensure the best health of stock. Storeroom for grass or something. This is how villages. Here we can see buffaloes are being milked. Villager enjoy every organic food and stay healthy.
Everyone, it's me Lalit Kumar. I am here along with my group members to discover the local village life. I will cover the simplicity of villagers and how they live. See the natural wooden tent, how they made this. Look behind me, this is totally made of wood. How it is made. Wiring, how they made wiring, they have electricity, nature is good, fresh air is coming. Everything is nice. Villagers are enjoying their life. Another place looks like haunted house. Come inside and visit it. See, it is fully made of clay and wooden. All there are grass made of full wooden structure. Tool for farming. Look, these are used for farming tools. This boundary made up of fully wooden and natural things. See. Look at it. Gives the positive vibe and increase the beauty of village with natural composition. Look at another side that seems too ancient and made up of clay. That's change and beauty of village. Look. Guys, this is a storeroom fully made up of clay and wooden structure. It is used for storing the farming tools and anything. Here is a kitchen. Come and explore it. Here is a wooden container used for storing utensils. Here is a pan, board, fully made up of clay and wood. Fully village life. So a stove which is fully made up of clay and is there stand made up of metal. Same thing, look like a cupboard. It is used for storing general purpose thing for village life. Villagers made up of clay and wood. Looks like old, very old. Village people use these type of kitchens fully made up of wood and clay also. So here is also a gas cylinder which is used for emergency purpose like in rainy weathers when would not burn many emergency purpose. Is another simplicity of a village, a hand pump. Let's use it.
Hi, I am Adnan. I will discover the agriculture sector of the village. Here we see grass in the land. This is for livestock purpose. The goats and the buffaloes will eat this. And before this, we had here vegetables like tomato, chilies, and other. And now we are getting ready the land for rice. Let's see the nursery of rice that are being started. Here guys, we see the beauty of village, the greenery and the beautiful weather. Here we see a small canal for watering the land on both sides, and here is a small path for cars or the bikes, other vehicles. And here we see a nursery for rice which is cultivated almost 1 or 2 days ago. And here is a beautiful tree, papaya, which is very useful to health and like diseases like fever, typhoid and other diseases, good for health. And here we see another nursery of rice which is cultivated almost 20 days ago, which is rise beautifully, and we see the greenery of it. Let's see it from beside. Here, guys, we see the nursery of rice, which is cultivated almost 20 days ago, which is raised properly, and we see the greenery, the beauty here. And it will shift to the other land almost 1 month later, and the rice will be prepared in 2 to 3 months for the other process. Here we can see, guys, the rice nursery is being watered. In the first week, it is watered daily. Water is very mandatory thing for rice. On the second week or third week, it will be watered on the third day or fourth day, like this. And, time by time, it will save water. Hey guys, here we will discover another side of agriculture. Here chilies are planted, which is looks very charming and amazing. Let's discover it. As we asked from the farmer about these chilies, this side of agriculture, so we knew that this is planted in 4 to 5 months. This is the crop of about 4 to 5 months, and it gives the average of 3 to 400 months per acre in 4 months almost. And their average is the same. There are two types of chilies. The one is like bigger and the one is smaller. This is the bigger one, which we can see. And after this chilies, this is almost the end of this land. And after this, we will plant here rice, which I discussed earlier that we are preparing nursery about it. And almost in 1 month, we will shift the rice here. Here is the production side of chili. They are waiting their chilies at how they produce from their today, and they will bring it to Karachi or some other place, chili market. Here we can see a mango trees, which looks very charming. Look guys, the mangoes, and it's almost one tree of reproduction of one tree is almost 500 to 600 mangoes at one time. It is the upcoming season, they will increase the reproduction time by time. And here we can see almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 8 to 9 trees of mango in one line, which looks very charm.
It's me, Tanveer. I am here along with my fellows to discover the village life. I will cover the machinery that is used for cultivating purpose and related to livestock. First, wonder used for uplifting the water above to land level. See how this works. See extra machining for some purpose. Here we see, guys, the main equipment farming tractor. Here are 2 tractors for Asia. It is 6-cylinder speed from Italy company. It is 4-cylinder. And see. Here is a hook 12D attached the tractor. First, let's go for tools. that are used in agriculture and livestock. Here is drill used for sanding, especially for land and wheat. It has the ability and distribute seeds equally in a land. It's another tool used for grading soil, especially when it is hard for sanding. It is usually used for transportation inside the field. Drip slider plugging the field. Chaff cutter associated with livestock. It is cut grass in small pieces with these blades.